afternoon. A big company's move to New Mexico may hit a major roadblock. The company says a proposed law could cost jobs and hurt a growing industry. News 13's Gabrielle Burkhardt is in the Newsplex with the story.
Kim, a renewable energy company is saying it wants to expand here, but is worried that a bill floating around the Senate could kill those plans. Iowa-based Renewable Energy Group, or REG, says it's invested $20 million in a new biodiesel plant in Clovis. The company acquired the partially built facility in 2010, and it's now 80% complete.
So it's a great location. It's a good place for us in the south. Gives us access to Texas. Gives us access to the California market.
But Director of Corporate Affairs Scott Hederick says a Senate bill could force REG to take a step back. The bill would repeal the mandate that diesel fuel be made up of at least 5% biodiesel. Hederick says the mandate is part of why his company is moving forward with plans to produce 15 million gallons of biodiesel annually in New Mexico, which will create 20 jobs. REG will use animal fat and plant oil from nearby cattle country to make the fuel. Hederick says the state's economy would benefit.
The neat thing about our industry is we're a job multiplier. So when we talk about a plant like Clovis, we could impact an additional 200 to 300 jobs in the marketplace.
Democratic Senator Phil Griego, who proposed the bill, says he was approached by the gas industry to carry the bill and doesn't see the harm.
And the Clovis plant has existed for the last 5 or 10 years in the same shape that it's in now, and I don't understand why all of a sudden they're saying we're going to shut down a biodiesel industry when none exists.
If the mandate stays in place, Hederick says his business will produce 60% of the biodiesel that would be used in diesel fuel in New Mexico, instead of importing it from other states.
We're going to build where we're wanted, where the states see us as a growth opportunity. The question is whether New Mexico is going to participate in that growth or get passed by.
The biodiesel bill is scheduled for a committee vote tomorrow. Senator Griego also told us if he had a do-over, he likely wouldn't have carried the bill, saying he doesn't understand all the science behind it. Back to you.
Hey, thanks, Gabrielle. Now, if REG does move forward with its plan to open in Clovis, the company says it could still be a year or more before its plant is fully up and running.